Hey, welcome to Neversink Farm's Tomato House, and I'll talk about the benefits of the Qlipr hook. Yeah, this is a Qlipr hook. It's a long hook with two clips, and it's used for lowering tomatoes, right? Other options are the tomahawk and the roller hook. And I switched from the roller hook like 12 years ago and never looked back. And that's one of the main benefits of the Qlipr hook, is the main downfall of these, in that you have no control really of lowering your tomatoes, because you just kind of, you're squeezing that little bar and then letting the weight of the tomatoes just fall, and then hopefully catching it and stopping it from lowering with, a lot of weight underneath. And you're up on a ladder doing it. If you're on a ladder lowering your tomatoes, it's burning money. The system pays for itself just moving off of this system. If you don't have this system yet, then I recommend starting with a Qlipr hook, and just, this is incredibly inefficient and hard. This you get more control, because you're able to just lower the tomato in certain sections, but you're still on a ladder, and that's a problem. The other benefit is, right, yeah, you're not on a ladder, but now you're working just at the right level, which is why, it comes in different lengths. And that's important. You want to match the length to the length in your house, so that your working area is here. If it's too low, you're bending over. If it's too high, you're reaching up, which is very uncomfortable. So you're working at a very, very nice height. Another benefit is there's only two clips. At the end of the season, when you want to get rid of your tomatoes, you just have two clips to remove. And that's it. You don't have a whole bunch of plastic clips going up, and that's really nice. So the takedown is incredibly quick. Also, these clips are not disposable. They're made of stainless steel, so they're gonna last forever. And once in a while, you just need to change out the foam. That's it, but the rest will last forever. Another thing is, when you combine it with the wicket, and you do a hook and wicket rather than a lower and lean, you get very cheap and easy structure, because you're just using EMT tubing, which is very nice. And it just becomes even easier, because there's no leaning. Now you're just moving them over the amount you lowered them and laying them on top of the wickets, and now you're harvesting at a reasonable height. And it just makes things incredibly fast. You're not spending all day in the tomato house. I mean, me and my wife, Kate, we can do this whole house in a couple hours. We can do a whole lower and lean and trimming of the tomatoes, and doing everything at a comfortable height. And then when the person who comes in to harvest, nice and comfortable, they're not harvesting on the ground or anything like that. It's always more profitable for tomatoes to have less tomatoes done really, really well, really efficiently, than have a whole bunch that are out of control. All right? So thanks for watching, and till next time.